All right, we just had a great rendition of our tune while you're gone, Gary.
Yes, I could hear it in the hallway. I'm amazed.
He's so sincere. That's what I love about Gary. Number one thing.
Now, we talked about the idea of having you and Gary do a tune. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, you're here. Talk.
Oh, I thought you were going to do the tune that you guys were just working on.
No. He just put us on the spot, and we were supposed to make up magically a new tune and a new concept that will thrill.
Well, maybe we should switch off the camera for a second. Let me think about this.
No, I should do it on camera
Okay,
so they can
right.
hear the thought process.
Okay, so you guys are doing, was that groove that I heard, the do, 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 do. Yeah, that's the groove for that last song.
That's last song.
Okay.
Yeah, shuffle and E.
No, I was hearing Cleo's back.
Oh, no, that's not any of the tunes.
That's not any of the tunes?
I am doing a tune that if it makes the cut, that uses that groove. So I am planning on doing a tune like that.
Yeah, okay.
So you can't use that.
Okay,
Is there anything in the set of tunes so far that's non-12 bar?
Of the tunes we're doing together, that's not the case.
Okay.
The tunes that I'm personally doing, I have a slow blues. So slow blues in D. I have a swing in F, 12 bar. I've got that rock beat that you hear right there, and I've got another slow blues in E. None of them are non-12 bar.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not very adventuresome for this project. Gary?
just off the top of my head, I was thinking of, since we haven't written a head for a tune for Aki and I was thinking of maybe doing a tune and dividing the head between the two of us. Say if we did Off the Wall, I play you know, just the, I take the 1, you take the 4, I take the 5, and then you take the 1. You know, it just goes around in a circle. We could either do like Off the Wall, we could do the Creeper, or a slow, or I mean a shortened version of the Creeper without so much of the junk in it.
Let's do originals since this project is all originals.
Okay.
I mean, that's the cool thing.
We could still do the same thing.
Yeah.
And just
Same
make it
idea,
different.
Yeah.
Oh, something with breaks, like stop time. Like the Creeper, that might be kind of cool.
Yeah. Get your A harmonica.
And if you think it may be helpful, I'll be here to whip up jam tracks and or play the bass if you wish.
Okay. What I'm thinking of, I guess, is something like the beginning of You're So Fine. But don't play that lick, you know. Play that. Just switch off like that, maybe.
Okay, well, let me go off this lapel mic. I'll grab my upright and we can, since you're talking about doing breaks.
Yeah. So just, you know, whatever you can think of, just to put in a break, like 1, 2, 3. Let's sing.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you want hits here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Just keep on doing the, or go ahead and do that walk down as well. Instruct me.
Yeah, do the walk down.
Okay.
That'll let us know that we're going into the song.
And the 4, do you just want to continue trading 2s like that, or do you want to?
Yeah, for right now, let's just do that.
Experiment with it. Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
it
It's okay. We have to do something with it.
Yeah.
We can't just jam along like that. Let's do the breaks twice, and then just do just a regular solo instead of trading off with the. So let's just. So this will be the creative. How creative can you be in the break, in a break song on a shuffle? In
What do you think about doing breaks all the way through? And even for the 5 chord, or
Oh, for the head?
you like a drummer does a trading 4s type of idea?
yeah.
Just throwing that out there. Maybe no.
Oh, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then into the 2.
Then just let it keep on rolling. That's
Yeah.
kind of neat.
Yeah, it's
I
very
don't know.
cool.
Grabs my attention.
Yeah, let's try it again.
So again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What do you think about doing something where you guys are like really actively playing? It almost feels like there's now energy and you guys are ready to drive into doing something together.
Yeah, to trading. Like?
Either trading or Aki maybe chuck, ka-chuck, 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 almost like George Bullitt Williams type of thing. Try playing a chugging part.
Something like that?
Like a draw, blow, blow, draw, blow. Or draw, blow, blow. Almost like, why am I not thinking of his name? Famous, he did the When the Saints Go Marching In.
Oh, Papa.
Papa Light.
Yeah, I'm just kind of thinking, like almost over the top.
Yeah.
More breathy, or like, do you want it to be dominant?
I'm just, for some reason, it's feeling like it wants to just be like ferocious, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Try it.
You want to go from the top and then
Yeah.
move into
Top.
that part?
One.
And then, so is Gary going to be playing the whole time during that?
Yeah.
Or are you going to swap maybe after 4 bars?
Probably be better to swap.
I think so too. Why don't you trade 4s? So you started with trading 2s, then we go to trading 4s, and then maybe go to a solo?
Okay. 1.
This is your song, right?
It's our song. 1. We're making it up. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you solo now.
I think that sounds ferocious.
Yeah,
Cool.
I think that's driving. Really.
Yeah, it's just got this power.
We may not even need a whole big sound behind it. If we can keep it sparse, maybe just have it harmonica driven. I mean,
No
we
arguments
could have
here.
a band. Yeah.
Yeah. One more time, and then I think I'm going to have to
Okay.
pack it.
All right.
But I have to ask you my ending lick again that you just taught me, and I just can't think of it.
I'll play it for you in your ear. I'll whisper it in your ear as you walk out the door.
If I don't have my harmonica to the lips, it won't matter.
It'll be like a fog.
We go 1, 2, 3. Cool.
I think it sounds great.
Cool.
You
Oh,
got
it's
your
a keeper
tune.
then, Gary.
Yeah, it's a keeper.
Not the creeper. The keeper.
The purple. The purple.
All right, so our next step, oh, let me get in camera here.
There you go.
Dave, if you're about to propose to me, it's a no. It's a
The
no.
answer is unequivocally not.
Our next step is to get our studio. Now, we talked about possibly using Kid Anderson at Greaseland, but we actually haven't talked to him. So maybe I should give him a call. So either maybe the next step, I think, is you're going to see us do, since we're having some fun, we're kind of taking our time through this, do we want to just go in there together and just go see the studio with Kid and talk about it? Should I just get him in here with Kid and I, just sitting talking about what he likes to do in the recording process with harp players, etc.? Do you want to go in there and maybe have some fun and just go in there and talk to Kid, but also take some time to get a setup for the harp, where like we'll experiment with Gary, maybe different amps, different rigs, put them in different rooms until he gets the sound he wants, and I'll do the same with mine, do the same with Aki. Time is really of no concern. We're just kind of enjoying our process. What do you think what would be cool that you'd want to see on camera if you were a student next, instead of just going in the studio and recording?
Well, yeah, if we're kind of documenting the whole thing, maybe
Yeah.
we could have like a, you know, a little, like you're saying, just kind of us approaching the studio, you know, concept, what we need to do for Kid and what he wants, you know, what he wants us to do, like not bring giant amps and stuff like that.
Okay, so should we do it at the studio, at his studio,
I
or
think that
do it
would be
somewhere
cool
else?
for the students, you know. Maybe we could hire a cameraman to follow us around
Sure, we can do that.
and just go through the studio. Yeah, that would be interesting, I think.
Okay.
We're kind of like showing the evolution of this whole thing.
What do you think, Aki?
Yeah, I think so. I think he's got a lot of interesting stuff at the studio, and it'd be cool to just, you know, do a walkthrough and talk to him about how he's recorded harp
Okay.
in the past.
All right, that sounds good.
I need plenty more of this, plenty
Okay.
more practice. You know, I mean, if we want to be on the top of our game, I have this Alzheimer thing I'm fighting. You know?
I would like us to be on top of our game, so yeah,
Yeah.
we can do this as much as you like, because I enjoy playing with you guys.
Yeah, this is fun, big fun.
All right, say goodbye to the kids.
Bye, kids. See you next time.